I'm leaving beautiful Antalya and going to the next place, which is called Chirali. It is a small village in Kemer district, and I will spend there one night. So stay with me, don't switch the channel. Renting a car demands also a car wash, so that's why we decided to have some car washing today. The total cost of a car wash was 25 TL, which is 250 euro. We decided to stop in Kemer and refresh our memories about this city, and it's raining. It's very unusual that it rains in Turkey. Very, very unusual, and we are lucky to have the rain with us. I hope it's not gonna last for a long time. It's been raining for like an hour, but it's also an experience. Few words about service in Turkey, which is almost always perfect and excellent. I ordered tea and I went to buy the presents in the shop just nearby. While I was buying the presents, the tea of course got cold, and the waiter just came and asked if my tea is okay. If not, she will replace it, and she did. Now I'm having hot tea, because the tea should be hot. While I was having tea, the rain in Kemer stopped, and now it's sunny again, maybe half an hour after I sat here. The rain stopped. Meanwhile, I bought some gifts for myself and for my friends. This is the towel, which I like very much, and you can actually wrap it up and it's gonna be like a blanket. It's made here. I got some baklavas and some lokum. That's what you should bring to your hometown as a souvenir, in my opinion, from Turkey, because food is everywhere good, and it's all about food in Turkey. Not all about food, but a lot of things are going around food. Kemer for me is a purely resort town. I was here in winter and the city was almost dead, while during summer it's very lively. This is the city center of Kemer, which is basically connected to the shore, and you can see along the way a lot of shops. And here you can see the young lieutenant or major, I don't know, we couldn't identify his rank, but he is serving at the police station. Kemer is well known for its beaches and beach holiday, basically. There is bazaar here, there is marina, and there is a nice beach, sandy beach, by the way, for whom it is important.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
So this is the center of Kemer. There is a very nice green park. Behind me is the beach, and there is bazaar in front. So if you're looking for beach holiday and just staying relaxed, that would be very nice. Now let's proceed to Chirali.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
After a short drive, we are here in Cirali. I booked pension close to Kemer mountain, the far mountain. And immediately we went out for dinner as it was getting late to one of the most popular Yoruk restaurant. We ordered stuffed aubergine with cheese and also baked vegetables. Food in Chirali is more expensive than in Antalya. The bill was about 160 Turkish lira, which is about 16 euro for the meal.